This is a secondary data file for Microsoft SQL Server. It stores data that overflows from the main.mdf file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain the database. We're going to solve this NDF issue, but first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below, and we will revisit later on. An NDF file is a secondary database file used by Microsoft SQL Server. It stores database objects and data, working in conjunction with the primary.mdf file. NDF files allow a SQL Server database to span multiple physical files, improving performance and manageability, especially for large databases. They are an integral part of the SQL Server database structure. NDF files contain database tables, indexes, and other database objects. They are linked to the primary.mdf file through the SQL Server database configuration. The file structure is proprietary to Microsoft SQL Server and requires SQL Server Management Studio or similar tools to access and manage the data within. Corruption in an NDF file can lead to database errors. For reliable opening, Microsoft SQL Server by Microsoft Corporation offers the best solution for NDF. The file's loose formatting rules mean Windows cannot validate its structure. Windows cannot parse queries or indexes, so viewing the content requires proper software. The solution is usually simple compatibility. Right-click your NDF file and choose Open With. If Microsoft SQL Server is there, test it now. If not, choose another application. Keep going until the NDF file opens. When an NDF file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Alright, the simple solution is out. We need to isolate the issue with the NDF file. Move on to these essential troubleshooting measures right away. First, use SQL Server Management Studio. Open the file using SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS, and use the attach function to load the database. Next, check file permissions location. Ensure the NDF file and its companion.mdf file are in the same folder and that the SQL service has full read-write access. Finally, use Repair tool. If the database fails to attach, use the dbcc checkdb command in SSMS or a specialized MDF repair tool to fix corruption. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.